Hello all, welcome back to our Willie's World channel. This weekend we are in Brigalow. We have a small cruise on this narrowboat, Gavotte. That's coming up for a tidy up as well. So yeah, we're all good. Quite here ready. Take this cover off. Bear with. Yeah, nice up at Rose Narrowboats, which is down that way. So we're going to head up to Coventry, maybe the Ashby overnight. Haven't been done yet, so it should be good. Right, back in a bit. It's got a bit of tidy up. Heading towards Coventry or the Ashby. Been the first time the Ashby, even though I've seen it. Ah, you bugger! Yeah, first time the Ashby. Should be good. It's only one stretch. Doesn't go anywhere though. So I think we've also got a job to do. Just clean this, get mop down, scrub. But I know she's running well. Give her a cleaning side too. Yeah, it's just a nice day too. Can't go the other way due to the landslide still being sorted out. Takes you into Brinklow. There's also electric boat fair there too, the weekend. I hope to see Port Nanty for Narrowboat Unlocked, or Narrowboat Life Unlocked, but they're the other way. So hopefully this will be us. Hopefully this summer on our own boat. So fingers crossed. What is it, a rat? It's a waterfall. Brilliant! Really rare. I'm doing a video. That's amazing, isn't it? It's amazing. You did? I did. Fantastic. Publish that. Yeah, too clear, isn't it? Gosh down. You wait so long for this cruise. I haven't been on this boat for at least about 2 years now. I kind of missed it. The only thing I've got is trying to moor up and tie up. So I need to talk that one. Let's see. What's inside the boat? It used to be an old ex-hire boat from Rose Narrowboats. It's alright. driver. It's a wave, Mr. Brown. Idiots afloat. Yeah, it's clear down here. The water is very clear. Some fishermen there. Yeah, the engine of the boat is a Lister SR2. I'm not sure what horsepower it is, but it sounds more like a dump truck, but it's good. Good heavy, good workhorse, this one. Another one. Not sure what we're doing over there. Let's pace them more up. Some people might say, you know, why the change? Well, why not? I mean, life is a short journey. So, you know, if you want to do something, you know, just go and do it. As long as you have the funding to do it. But if you don't, you know, you're just missing out on life in general, nature. Even though I think it does come at a big cost. Yes, be wary of that. Bridge 26. It is. Yeah, it is. Give us a filthy thumbs up. A filthy thumbs up. You know. Hey, Chris. Filthy thumbs up. Go around the corner. I think so. Nice looking boat. What, narrowboat wheel? Is it? Cool. They seem it is. Give it a filthy thumbs up. Around the corner. Nothing, I don't think. Oh, listen to that engine. It sounds lovely. A few narrowboats here. Oh, it's not like cow poo too. Manure. Minorita. It is. Interesting boat. Not butty. Mind you, there are two boats for sale in Brinklow. One's a caddy and one's another one, but it's a project boat. I think the caddy's a tug, ex-tugboat. It's also a narrowboat too. All this.
I've seen many waterfalls along this house.
That's the first one I've seen already. Is that one?
They are quite rare.
Yeah.
They're endangered and protected.
Okay. Got a boat coming this way. That's an interesting boat there. A small red one. Rather pretty. Flip there. Yeah. It's been going there. Yeah, it's rather shallow. That's rather pretty. Shouldn't be from these people's boats. Invaded privacy. Let's see. I like it. Spy dog.
New paint job.
I like that.
Nice.
It's lovely.
Different. Yeah.
It's brilliant.
I've seen it before in the old paint job. It's nice.
I think I might have to watch this back. My camera angles and viewing's not really good at all. So I do apologise for that one too. Check out the name of this boat. Paint pot. Brilliant. Brilliant. Pretty colour. Genie stuff. Like that. Oh, the gentle stuff. Genie stuff, what I like. You win no points. Minutes. Alright. Alright. Good. Shot low. So quiet down here too. Can't see what I'm filming really. That's better. Put in line. Too much sun behind me, I think. Dolly duster. Right, what I'll do, I'll leave it there and maybe do some more filming later on. Okay? Back soon.
Entrance to the Ashby canal.
Okay. We're moored up on the Ashby. So I'll give up. Not ours, but it's a good friend of ours. He's been cleaning the roof and that side too. It's been a nice cruise so far. Been doing some sort of training on how to moor up. What lines to use to moor up with. What steering if it's in trouble on windy waters. Yes, but there's quite a lot of things to learn. So hopefully this weekend will give me some sort of satisfaction with moorings, how to moor up, how to control a boat in less unfortunate weather. But I think today's been alright. It's been good. Yeah, we've also come past Charity Corner, like a channel is for boat spares and stuff. Just run back out there on the Ashby entrance and turn left. But it's peaceful here. Hopefully tomorrow I can get more training. It's a bit frustrating when you can't do it first time, but no, it's can't do everything first time. But it should be good. It should be good fun. There's so much to learn on narrowboat life. It's not all just canals, it's how to control your frustrations. Yeah, take your time too. It's all good. I do go wander down the other end. fire. Right. Done the vid. Maybe I wander up the Ashby again. Should I clear it is too? Look at which one I can go into. Yeah, I so can't wait for this life to start. Hopefully in summertime, this summer. Be on the canals ourselves, but don't know whereabouts yet. Depends where we buy the boat from. It's either going to be Wilton or Aqua Vista. It really is enjoyable, especially at a slow pace. Even winter might be a bit of a challenge. But no, even that's life for it. It's sort of a challenge. I take time. How you feel about it? It's all good. Okay, that's the Ashby turn off. We come up the Coventry onto the Ashby. The Ashby itself doesn't go nowhere at all. It's just one long stretch of water for about a day and a half cruising up the Ashby, and then cruise back. It doesn't go nowhere at all. I've noticed on some of the narrowboat vlogs we've seen on YouTube, narrowboat pirates, good old Heidi, brilliant she is. If you haven't seen her channel, go browse the narrowboat pirate or Wench on Spotify. Plus I think there's been other people up here too. I'm not sure who they were at this time. Yeah, that's where we turned off from Coventry onto the Ashby. It's so peaceful up here. It really is nice. I mean, so no wonder why people are turning to boat life. Just to get away from the mortgage rates going up, the water, the gas, electric, all those things that build up that we can't even afford. It's maybe a way forward, but you know, it's ideally it's up to you what you do for yourself in the future, or for future ways too. I know this is for me and the other half. It's got me the other half, you know, hubby. It's also for the mental health purposes too. Something else we can go and switch off to be ourselves for once. I mean, yeah, we'll miss our friends back in Swindon. I'm sure I can visit at some point. We'll see. Okay, all right. I'll leave it there for now, and gonna have some dinner. Go sit down for a bit. Go chill out for a bit too. Okay. Back soon, and have a good weekend.